Sometimes when we're doing a coat zipper replacement, primarily, we may have snaps that are on the coat that will need to be removed. These ones aren't too bad because they are a little bit further away from the zipper, but because I can't get everything opened to finish my application, I'm going to want to remove these snaps. Sometimes these snaps are much closer to the zipper. We have to take them out before we even take out our zipper. So I want to show you how easy it is to remove. These are socket snaps. We only need to take out the side that's interfering with our zipper replacement. Take my tool, like wire cutters, just on the good side, give it a bit of a pinch, especially if the coat is fairly old. The snaps will come off. Our main objective is to not cut the coat, of course, with our wire cutters. And then once we take that little nib off, the snap comes off. So now you can see that we can actually release the two materials when putting our zipper back. I'll show you that again. Just pinch the top of our snap. If it doesn't come off first, just give it a bit of a wiggle. Sometimes you got to put in some elbow grease. Take off the back, and we have another snap removed. After our zipper is all in, we are actually going to be putting those snaps back.